Good morning, dear children. Yesterday, that story is remain half. So again, we are starting. The second story is based on an incident that took a place in one of the Indian largest citizen, and its common practice is most part of the country. It is a story about the Mr. and Mrs. Ansari who were looking to rent an apartment in the city. So Mr. and Mrs. Ansari, they were looking one apartment in the city. So they had the money, and so paying the rent was no problem. Means they having the money and then didn't any problem for paying the rent. So they went to a property dealer for help to find a place. तो प्रॉपर्टी डीलर के पास गए, वो एक प्लेस उनको प्रॉपर्टी डीलर से उन्होंने रिक्वेस्ट किया कि इफ़ देयर इज़ एनी प्लेस फॉर रिसाइटिंग और टू सजेस्ट अस. तो डीलर इन्फॉर्म देम कि दैट ही न्यू अबाउट द क्वाइट अ फ्यू अपार्टमेंट्स. प्रॉपर्टी डीलर टोल्ड देम कि ही न्यू द some apartments that were available for the rent. They visited the first apartment and the Ansari liked it very much and decided to take. However, when the landlady found out their names, she made an excuse about how she could not rent the house to someone who are made because the building did not have many non-vegetarian residents. So as soon as that landowner come to know कि they are the Ansaris, means their surnames she came to know, that time she refused them to give that rooms on the rent. Then so finally the property dealer told him, means what happened afterwards. They visited to the first, second, third, many flats they seen, but no one is ready for giving to them because of their surname. And they refused them. The first landowner refused them, saying that non-vegetarians people are not allowed in their apartment. So finally, the property dealer told them that they might want to change their names and call themselves Mr. and Mrs. Kumar. So property dealer suggested you might change your surname. So the Ansaris were reluctant to do this and decide to look some more in the end. So at the end they got the um, at the end they got one house for the rent, and it is took a whole month of looking at apartment. After means 1 month they got the one home for the rent, a landlady who was willing to give them a place on the rent after changing their surname. This is the second story. Now in the next lecture we will going to see recognizing dignity.